Hey guys, in this tutorial we will build a React counter app with clean UI using Tailwind CSS. Do not miss this video and let's go! To build the counter app, we need to install React.js. I put the link of this video how you can install React.js on your computer. Of course, we need first to install Tailwind CSS on our application, React.js application. First, we need to open our source folder, and in our app.js, we need to import first React and UseState from React like this, and of course we need UseState like this. And in our app function, we need one state that called count. It's equal to UseState with default value of 0. And we need three functions. The first is called increment, const increment, that change set count, count plus 1, like this. Set count is equal to our count value plus 1. Of course, we need decrement and change set count to count minus 1, and of course we need a reset function to reset count number. Set count equal to 0. As you can see, we have count state and of course three functions to change count number in our application. In our HTML, I want to remove all of these codes and just write down this parent div. And I'm going to work with Tailwind CSS and some classes related to Tailwind. First, I want to write down flex, and I need items center like this, and of course we need justify center, we need height as a screen. At the end, we need background, some background for our application. I choose gray with opacity of 100, and inside our div we need a box, as I said, white box like this, and I add this class name for bg white, shadow, lg, and I need some radius, rounded dash lg, and we need some padding. I put padding 8, and of course text the center to put all of our code at the center of this box. At first, I want to add some heading 1 with this class name for text size, text 2x large, and font dash bold, and of course margin bottom of 4, and just write down React counter. This is our heading 1, and as you can see, we have white box inside and at the middle of this screen with gray background. And if I change this 100 to, for example, 500, you can see this gray will be changed and the opacity of our background increase. Then I want to add this paragraph with class name of text 4x large and font semi-bold, text dash blue with 500, and of course I want to add margin bottom of 6. And this paragraph is related to our count, and I want to put count dynamically here. So for our buttons, I want to add this division like this, and just want to add some class for making some space between our buttons, increase and decrease and reset button with space dash x dash 4. Our first button is increase, and I just write down increase here, and our button needs some class name. First I want to add this onclick and just write down increment, and this class name is padding x4 and padding y2, and background green dash 500, and of course text dash white inside the blue background of our button, and we need some radius, rounded lg, and shadow md, and hover background green dash 600. it is our increase button, and I want to add decrease button and of course reset one. First decrease, change this increase to decrease, and of course this on click to decrement like this, and just change the background of this decrease button to red, and this hover to red again. And I want to add the other button for reset like this, and change this functionality to reset, and the name of our button reset. And we need to change this background from green to gray for our reset button. And now it is time for seeing our result. When we save our code, you can see we have this white box inside of this gray screen at the middle of it, and this is our counter with value of 0. And when I click on increase, you can see our count value increase, and this is increase, all functionality work. And now it's turned to reset. When I click on reset, you can see everything work, and our count value is equal to 0. We built a React counter app with Tailwind CSS for styling, and you learn the state management and how to use Tailwind for a clean UI. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. So guys, we are at the end of our video. It was all about how you can create a React counter app using Tailwind CSS. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and put like and comment for me. Thanks for watching, be nice guys, and farewell developers.